What's up, my peeps and minions? My last recording got deleted because my phone is a big freaking jackass. But welcome back to something that you've never even seen before. We'll probably have. Halo's pretty popular, actually. But anyway, yeah, we're freaking playing Halo. Don't ask why, just accept the fact that we are playing Halo. I'm not a sellout. I just have stuff I need to get done. Or that I really want to get done. Because me and my dad share quality time playing this game. And I wanted to make a map. But I couldn't because I had to make a video for you greedy bastards. I'm just kidding. You aren't greedy. I love you guys. Don't unsubscribe. I need subscribers. I'm a bum. Okay, so yeah, I put two and two together and decided I was going to make a video on me making this. So yeah, I'm here setting this up because it's a tedious pain in the ass. And there is going to be cussing in this video because unlike Minecraft, Halo is rated M, so I don't have to worry about having this suitable for audiences. This is rated M for mature. You guys should know that Halo is rated M. I don't know why. I mean, it's not really insanely bad. Mortal Kombat is much worse. That's also rated M though. So, you know. Look at that. Look, that looks beautiful. Scooch it over a bit and boom. That looks so no, looks shitey. Looks shitty. Let's move it over some more. Okay, is that good? Is that good? Oh, that's perfect. Okay, good. So yeah, we're making a racetrack. My dad likes those for whatever reason. And that, oh yes. As you see, we've been working a bit in here, some in here. What are we gonna do with this? So I was thinking to loop it around like that, but then we'll have to come back through somewhere. I don't like that. I guess what I could, oh yes. Oh, that actually, oh yes, that works perfectly. Oh my gosh, yes. Yes. Okay. So that's going to, oh yes. This is going to be great, guys. Alright, so let's grab some inclines and, that's regular. No, we need a bigger ramp than that. We need big ramp. Ramp, bridge, small. No, medium. No, large. Yes. Go big or go home. That's what the athletes always say. That's what the athletes always say. And the prostitutes. So anyway, yeah, I just decided I was going to do something a bit different. If you don't like it, that's fine. Just keep your opinion to yourself because I don't give a crap. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. I love you guys so much. So much. Please don't unsubscribe. I need subscribers. I need them. I'm a bum. Oh man. Let's see here. And then push you. Oh, that's perfect. Oh my gosh, it's so perfect. So perfect. There's a tiny little sliver right here, but I don't really care. That's not going to affect much. And Let's test it to see if we can actually make that. Oh wait, I forgot to place a vehicle down. Excuse me. Wouldn't be a video without burps. That's how my body knows that there's a video. Yeah, beep beep, mother. You stinker. Beep 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 beep. So it looks possible at first, but it's not actually possible. So, what we gotta do, we either gotta get a turbo booster or put another bridge on. I'm thinking put another bridge on, because turbo boosters are, first of all, difficult as crap to set up properly in this game. Second of all, they cost a lot. Cost like $250, while these like cost like $10. Not even like, they cost exactly $10. Not in real life. God no. I wouldn't be playing this if they cost actual money. I'm a bum. JK, I'm a superstar. Oh, that looks really terrible, but that just means that it worked. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, look at that straight line. Let's test it out. With a mongoose. Oh crap. Well, we don't need it to be intact. We just need it to be functionable. Roll down the hill. Come on. Oh yeah. So now let's hop up in here. Oh no! Oh, that starved me. So that's still good right there. Where'd it go? Oh crap. How are you still surviving of that? Whoops. Frank! Oh no! Oh! Let me catch it. Oh! Mr. Rock, you saved my life. Get in there! Whoops. That's alright, we have a new one. Alright, what we're doing here, we gotta make it so you can just barely make that cliff. Because this is supposed to be a shortcut, but it's supposed to be an obscured one. Like you're not really sure how much of a shortcut it actually is. I put those in my maps. Where it's like, it's a secret shortcut. Like, it's a shortcut disguised within a shortcut. Okay, I don't think we can make that. I will try once more, just for testing purposes. Oh. Nope. Needs to be pulled out a bit more. That's what she said. Oh, I'm going to get in so much trouble, but I'm not, because this game's already rated M, so, you know, if you're a kid watching this, you know, technically I'm a kid. But my parents let me play this video game, so, yeah. This is meant for a mature audience, and I'm mature enough to play it, so just don't question me. Don't question me. Gosh dang it. That better not respawn there. Because that would mean I'd just be spamming it. Get out of here. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for your shenanigans. Alright. Speed. Oh! It looks like you can make it. And try it one last time. Inch it. Oh. We can do it. Oh, this is the one. Oh. Nope. Alright, get your butt in there. We are going to raise this up. You know, it's probably good that my old recording got deleted because it had some copyright music in it. Or is that this recording? I don't know. I put them right next to each other. Just one of them got deleted. That's the only difference. That's why I said welcome back at the beginning of this. Oh! Yes, that looked perfect. Alright. We got that set up. Is this thing still recording? Yeah, it's still recording. Good. You better keep doing that. That's muy perfecto. And then structure, walls, Coliseum. Oh, gracious. Yeah, you better fix yourself. Check yourself before you wreck yourself, son. You're not my son. What? Oh, it looks awful. Whatever. Just, oh gosh, it looks terrible. Just tiny bits, right there. A little bit more. There we go. There we go. Now we're just gonna have a giant freaking window right across here. Giant frickin' window. And duplicate. And drop it. Bow. That could be a potential massive shortcut. So let's go ahead and pick this up. Pick that base back up. Sorry. Let's just freaking shove this here. I don't even care. Boom. That looks freaking terrible. I don't care. Alright, so then there's going to be like a little thing over here, and yeah, that's going to be good. Then we just put double wall, freaking Zombieland border, we'll call it, since that's how I'm placing them. That's what I'm placing them like, I should say. And boom. So boarded up. I love it. Oh gosh. For you people with OCD out there, I feel you. Like, there's no reason to be upset. I know. Trust me. Trust me, I know. It's bothering me just as much as it's bothering you, but some things in life you just gotta cope with, you know? There. That looks beautiful. And then I'm just gonna place this here just to mess with all of us. It's okay, it's okay. Shh. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I feel your pain. How don't you feel it? You know it feels like. It's okay. It's okay. Shh, shh. Quiet. Calm down. Guys, I know. I know. Just calm down. It's alright. What? I think she might have thought I was talking to her. Oh, that's embarrassing. I think I might have just messed this up. Hang on. Boop, boop. Yep, I messed this up. Boop, boop, boop. And... so you come down through here. No, you go up through there, and you come out through this way. So then this one has to go, these two have to go around through that part. And then this has to go back around through here. So then this, since this comes down through there, and where is that? That comes out through that side. So there's going to be like a, so it's like through here, wait a second, no, not through there, through here, down here, around through here, up here, and around like that, and then down here. We need one of these blocking the way. Baduba. And then Baduba. And Badaba. And this needs to stop to gray. And Bashmonda. That looks beautiful. That looks great. Oh my gosh, that looks great. That looks so great. Making it look better. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Alright, both of you calm down. Gosh dang it. There's the OCD people out there who are screaming at me, and then there's the freaking impatient people out there that are screaming at me when the OCD people